chemical pesticides have been used by these farmers for decades. They have their own understanding, they have their own wisdom, knowledge based on their experiences and the whatever the past practices are there. So the first and the foremost challenge is the transition from the chemical pesticide to safer alternatives. And these alternatives are basically seen as a costly affair by the farmers because of their delayed response, their delayed results. So the farmers actually right now is looking forward for a faster transition and faster results. So that's why the biggest challenge what we understood when we reached out to the farmers is like the transition from a chemical to biologicals. The first and foremost is the action, the faster the action what the chemical pesticides giving to them. And the another challenge is in Indian agriculture. If we talk about, see, Indian agriculture is highly fragmented. See, we have got 80% of the farmers are small and marginalized farmers, and these small and marginalized farmers they have a land holding of 1 to 2 acre. With such a small land holding, so they basically look forward to the results which are faster and more profitable for them. So this was another very big challenge, wherein the small land holdings and the results, the economical, the financials, the what is they are getting out of that. The third one was the limited awareness. You see, although biopesticides, all safer alternatives, they are very much there in the market, but the awareness about the benefits of these biofertilizers, biopesticides, with respect to human health or the environmental aspects, it's very low. The awareness is very low. Then the most important is the trust that the suppliers, the value chain actors which are there in the system, they are not actually promoting these products. The farmer is like it's that farmer is not that educated to understand the difference between a chemical and bio, unless and until somebody goes or reach out to him and educate him about the benefits which are there out of these biopesticides. Similarly, the first contact point of any farmer is the dealer, the distributor of the pesticide. Unless and until there is a certain level of influence from the dealer or distributor to the farmer for these using these biopesticide, that is lacking in the system. So that is another challenge wherein the first contact point is highly influenced towards chemical pesticides. Right? Then transitioning from chemical to a safer, it involves cost, inputs, availability, quality of the product. So in a scenario when you have huge quantity of spurious pesticide flowing in the market, then identifying a right chemical, right biopesticide, right suitable alternative, that is another challenge for the farmer. He is not able to identify basically where to go, which direction to go. So he's finally landed up with chemical because which based on his own experience, knowledge, and the wisdom what he has been using since last so many years. It's been decades he has been. So transitioning from chemical to bio, it will take time in Indian, particularly in Indian scenario, and I think it's common everywhere across the globe. So these are the few of the basic challenges, and I think we need to address these challenges while drafting a workshop or the capacity building exercise for a fruitful one.